Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, the focus is on irregular past verbs. The verbs are speak, break, and choose. Each of these verbs changes form in a unique way when used in the past tense. Pay attention to their pronunciation and usage because they do not follow the regular ed rule. The first verb is speak. In the past tense, speak becomes spoke. For example, I speak English every day. In the past, we say, I spoke with my teacher yesterday. Notice how the vowel sound changes from long E to long O. Remember this pattern because many irregular verbs change vowels in a similar way. The second verb is break. In the past tense, it becomes broke. For example, please don't break the glass. In the past, you would say, I broke the glass yesterday. The meaning remains the same, but the form changes completely. This shows that irregular verbs require memorization instead of simple rules. The third verb is choose. In the past tense, it changes to chose. For example, I always choose healthy food. In the past, we say, I chose a salad instead of pizza. Again, the only difference is in the vowel sound. Choose uses the double O sound, while chose uses the long O sound. Listen carefully when you practice speaking these words. Now let's look at these verbs in full sentences. I spoke to my friend yesterday. She broke her pencil in class. We chose the park for our picnic. These sentences help you connect the verbs with real-life situations. Practice repeating them until the past forms come naturally to you. It's time to practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct past forms of the verbs. I blank speak to my parents last night. She blank break her sunglasses on vacation. They blank choose the red car. Try to recall each past form before checking the answers. Practicing this way improves both your memory and listening skills. Here are the correct answers. Number 1, I spoke to my parents last night. Number 2, she broke her sunglasses on vacation. Number 3, they chose the red car. If you got them all correct, you're doing great. If not, review the verbs again to strengthen your understanding. Let's review the 3 verbs together. Speak becomes spoke. Break becomes broke. Choose becomes chose. Each word changes in its own unique way. Focus on listening to the sounds and practicing them aloud. The more you say them, the more natural they will feel when you speak English. Many learners make small mistakes with these verbs. Never say speaked, instead say spoke. Never say braked, say broke. Never say choosed, say chose. Irregular verbs don't use the ed ending. You have to learn each one individually by using them in daily speech. With regular practice, these forms will stay in your memory. In this lesson, you learned 3 important irregular past tense verbs: speak to spoke, break to broke, and choose to chose. These verbs cannot be changed by adding ed. Keep practicing them in sentences every day. Try making your own examples using these verbs. The more you use them, the more confident you will become in speaking English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.